After seeing so many of your comments, I finally decided to create this tutorial on how to make eye-catching thumbnails just like this one. Not only will you learn how to design powerful thumbnails, but you could also turn this skill into a money-making opportunity, earning thousands of dollars every month. First, I made these images using Midjourney with this prompt. If you don't have a paid Midjourney account, no worries, you can use Ideogram for free to get similar results. Let's dive in. First, create a new canvas with a width of 1920 pixels, a height of 1080 pixels, and a resolution of 300 pixels. Here is your blank canvas. Click on this button and create a solid color using this color code. After that, click OK. Now, create a new layer. Click on the rectangle tool and draw shapes like this. To make copies, hold down the Alt key and click the left mouse button. Now, adjust the alignment and lower the opacity to 36%. Now, use the brush tool to add a black shadow like this to create depth. Now I'm adding a green graph. You can increase the size of the graph and rotate it a little bit. Now, create a new layer and select half of the area. Click on Hue and Saturation then, and change the color to of red and blue. Now, I'm adding the image that I created at the beginning. Now, click on Filters and then select Camera Raw here. You will find many options to adjust the shadows, whites, and colors to your preference. Now I'm adjusting it until it looks good to me. Here is the difference between before and after. Now click on the layer, then select Blending Mode. After that, click on Drop Shadow and adjust it slightly. Now click the Open button. After that, I'm adding the green dollars that I made earlier. Click on the rectangle tool and create a circle like that. Now, select the layer and click on Blending Mode. Add a green outer glow and adjust it. Now, add a color overlay and change it to green. Now, add your text like this. And change the font to a medium size. Now adjust it. Decrease the font size a little bit. Now add your second text using big and attractive numbers. Increase the font size a little bit. Now, I've made a copy and adjusted the text. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial on how to create high-quality thumbnails, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Remember, a great thumbnail is essential for attracting viewers and making your videos stand out. The techniques we've covered today can help you design thumbnails that not only look professional but also convey the essence of your content. Don't underestimate the power of a well-crafted thumbnail. It can significantly boost your video's visibility and engagement. I encourage you to experiment with the tools and tips we discussed and see how they can elevate your own thumbnails. If you have any questions or want to share your results, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear about your experiences with thumbnail creation. Until next time, keep creating and let your thumbnails shine.